So guys, for the first step, you want to click on the Windows key and E on your keyboard at the same time. So Windows key E, which will now pull up File Explorer. Now on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. And now you want to click on your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that and then click on Windows. And now we're going to open up the System32 folder. We're going to scroll down until we find System32. Double click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down again until we find cmd.exe. We're going to scroll down until we find cmd, or it might be saying for you cmd.exe, and it should be showing this picture right here. Now once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on run as admin and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once we're on this, you want to type in sfc space /scan now and then click on enter, and you now want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now we're going to type in dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.